Hey guys, welcome to Delve Stack, and this is how to fix Chrome check internet connection while downloading. So, if you ever encounter this one, what you could try to do is you could just simply try Incognito Mode. So to do that, you could just simply select the three dots on the top right corner, and from here, you could just simply go for New Incognito Window, and from here, this window mostly fixes the issue. So just simply do your stuff over here. And if it doesn't, what you could try to do is just simply restart your computer or your device. And mostly that fix the issue. Now, if it doesn't work still, you could just simply go ahead and select the three dots on the top right corner. And from here, you will have the option extensions. And now go for manage extensions. So sometimes guys, having extensions turned on can cause some issues. So make sure to turn off any extensions that you are not using at the moment, and mostly this can fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.